Okay, it's a very rainy day today, and this is the update on the garage door restoration. Today, I put on the bottom seal. I did a thing where I used a much larger flat washer with a screw. I put it in the exact same holes and I reattached it. I didn't have enough metal washers, so I actually just took some plastic and cut it into a circle. I used top of oatmeal containers. I had these screws, 3/4 inch, number 10 screws, which are a good size to fill the original hole. Okay. I also started caulking the gap in the panel. Now, this is extremely important because this bottom panel, water gets in that to a tremendous extent, and that's one of the main reasons why you get rot. Here, I've used this Dynaflex 230, and you might have heard that this type of a panel shouldn't be caulked because there should be movement of the panel or something like that, but this is completely overridden by the idea that this is being used on the bottom of a garage door. Now here you can see the type of damage that resulted in this not being caulked, and this was over a period of 10 or 15 years. This is not hardboard, it's plywood, so it actually stood up pretty well. Now, it's a rainy day. I'm lucky I'm actually able to caulk these by having them up high enough so it's not raining on it, and I'm going to fill up this gap to the extent that I can completely with that caulk, and then I'm just going to monitor it, see how it does, because I really absolutely need to keep water out of there. Okay, so that's the update on today rainy day.